Welcome to another informative video from our tool. Do you know 95% of us delete apps on our phone incorrectly? Most likely you are one of them, due to which a lot of junk files and residual files accumulate in your phone and cause it to slow down. In this video, I'll show you the right method on how to delete apps correctly on your phone. So let's get started. Now, if you're deleting apps like this, I mean, just pressing on and click uninstall and then click OK. So in this case, you're doing the wrong method. Now let me show you the right way on how to delete applications. Now let's take the example of this CapCut. Now just press on this. After pressing on the application, click App Info. Now let me just click. After clicking this, now click Storage and Cache. Now you can see 615 MB is the application size, and there are a lot of other data. That is 765 MB other data and 102 MB cache, and this accumulates to 1.48 GB. Now if you normally just uninstall this app, it means the app only gets uninstalled, but the residual files, the cache, will not be uninstalled. So the right method to delete the application is click Storage. Now click Clear Cache. After clicking Clearing Cache, now clear Storage and click OK. After clearing storage, now click Back. Now click Uninstall and now click OK. So this is the right way of uninstalling applications. Now if you haven't been uninstalling applications the right way, it means a lot of residual files and application cache have been accumulated in your phone and your phone might be getting slower. So there's a video on my channel on how to clean your phone out of those files and junk files and residual cache and everything else. I've put the link in the description below, so click that and clean your phone. Thank you everyone for watching this video.